What's up guys, it's Shob from STEMY, back here with another Math-a-Maniacs lesson episode. Today we'll be learning about probability. Now regardless of whether you've heard the term before, here's what people sometimes forget to tell you. You, yes you, are a fortune teller.
Wait a minute!
Every day, all day, you're constantly making predictions about the future. From picking your outfit, deciding what the weather's gonna be that day, to doing your homework, predicting if the teacher is actually gonna collect it or not. And we can actually measure the likelihood of such an event happening, and it's called probability. Measured on a scale from 0 to 1, sometimes you'll see it as a percentage, from 0% to 100%. It can be calculated by taking the total number of ways your event can happen and dividing that by the total number of outcomes. Now, probability has many different applications, from weather forecasting to predicting the outcome of sports games, and even helping you bet at the poker table. So if you're ready to put your fortune-telling skills to the test, let's move over to the dry erase board and learn a little bit more about probability. Alright, so here I've got a pouch, and inside are 3 marbles, 2 pink and 1 yellow. What is the probability of drawing a pink marble at random? What about a yellow? Well, we can actually calculate these probabilities by using the formula from before, the ways an event can happen, and dividing that by the total number of outcomes. So the probability of drawing a pink marble is equal to the number of pink marbles divided by the total number of marbles, which is 2 over 3 or 67%. We can do the same with yellow marbles, but since there's only one, the probability is 33%. These probabilities we've just calculated are known as theoretical probability. It's what you expect to happen, but doesn't always actually happen. We can test this theoretical probability by setting up an experiment, where we draw pink and yellow marbles out of the bag and record what we get every time we draw. And when we do, we see that we've gotten 5 pink and 5 yellow. So after 10 trials, the probability based on our data would be 5 over 10 for pink, since we drew 5 pinks out of 10 total, which is equal to 50%. Now, since we also drew 5 yellow, the probability would be the same for drawing a yellow. However, these probabilities aren't equal to the theoretical probabilities we calculated from before. So let's bump it up to, say, 25 trials, and let's run the experiment again and see what data we get. And our last marble is a pink one. So that gives us 15 pink and 10 yellow. So the probability of drawing a pink marble is now 15 over 25, or 60%. And for yellow, it's 10 over 25, or 40%. Now that's a lot closer to our theoretical probability, but these probabilities are known as experimental probabilities, or the probability of an event happening based on the results of an experiment. They're calculated by taking the trials with the event occurring and dividing that by the total number of trials. And what we saw is as we increased the number of trials, the experimental probability got closer to the theoretical. This is known as the law of large numbers. As we keep on doing these trials, we'll reach a point where the experimental probability is equal to the theoretical. So that's it for our Math-a-Maniacs probability lesson episode. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something, and as always, leave a comment if you have any questions and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, as we have some exciting content coming out very soon. Take care, guys.